In NuManufacturing, we develop our artificial intelligence and machine learning platform Predictive Forex and our sensor array box NumBox. Our main three products are Baklava Omnichannel Communication Platform, Predictive Forex AI/ML-based predictive maintenance platform, and Sustainability Forex Efficiency Analysis Platform. As NuManufacturing, we value ESG principles as well as sustainability in all processes. Therefore, while the economic branch of production cycles and systems seem to get negatively affected in times of maintenance needs and failures, we impact their economics positively by providing a sustainable service. In such a crowded city like Istanbul, many of us may have experienced getting stuck in a public transportation or have witnessed someone getting stuck. As NuManufacturing, we develop solutions for such problems. With Predictive Forex, we predict maintenance needs and timing of possible failures for the businesses in the energy sector, factories, and any kind of machine by drawing detectable and directly undetectable data driven from our sensor array box. We gather data from our NumBox Sensor Array box and transform the big data in edge computing to meaningful small data. Doing so, we detect errors, predict failures, and make quality controls in maintenance procedures with a self-learning system. In this process, all platforms such as CRM and ERP work integrated. Most importantly, we install our NumBox Sensor Array box without any electrical or mechanical contact. Our system offers many business solutions, not only applicable in transformers but in all machines, while we also provide service such as routing the technical team to the relevant area of failure, ensuring the occupational security of employees, and establishing a 3D detection system. Our solution pioneers a cutting-edge realm of smart environments by using the digital twin technology. By doing so, the user experience of real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and energy efficiency is elevated to unprecedented levels while amplifying automation, comfort, and sustainability as it sets better standards for the future of intelligent factory and building solutions. In manufacturing and factories with multiple machines and systems, major decisions are made every day. There are complicated dashboards, data compiled in unstructured files with possible errors, wasted time, and long meetings to keep the operations going. Workers and operational managers usually get stuck in the office, and eligibility to work in the field, which is crucial, is not always possible. With virtual engineers, extracting operational data, detecting problems, and consolidating production, maintenance, and quality become very easy while communicating with them through popular communication channels. The virtual engineers are always connected to communication channels. Our system is proactive, and with the interconnected platforms, alerts are sent in case of need. Our system escalates problems and requests advice for the next actions. Our team of virtual engineers also sets up meetings among colleagues and is available 24/7 in natural language. The virtual engineers learn constantly while allowing businesses to save time and money and making the processes more efficient in every way, and they work with more than 30 languages. They fit every organization regardless of the size or level of digitalization, just like our solution, Predictive Forex, which works independent of brand, model, and appliance. In many industries, the shortage of skilled workers increase the risks and costs for factories and manufacturers. With the usage of virtual engineers in our solution, our system increases efficiency and allows the uninterrupted continuation of working systems. Our business model is platform as a service. Along with unique POCs and collaborations with technical universities, Our design is scalable and it has an easy interlink with the API. As an income model, we sell our sensor array box to businesses and lease our platform on a monthly subscription basis. Different from the layered structure of classical models, the NuManufacturing model is an integrated platform which reduces the communication period from weeks and days to seconds between machine-to-machine and human-to-machine channels. We have several local and global competitors in the industry. Our main differences are our platform is independent of appliance, brand, and model. All platforms in our system works integrated to each other. We have our own unique sensor array box and our system is self-learning. We have a diverse team consisting of engineers and business developers who are competent in the fields of AI, electronics, and software. Besides the POCs done with Enerjisa on maintenance prediction in transformers and Istanbul municipality on travel analysis in public transports, we have gained experiences in establishing model factories in Turkey and predicting the passenger density in the London subway. The market growth of database predictive maintenance has seen to grow every passing year. Until 2026, the market is predicted to grow up to $16 billion with a yearly increase of 30%. Relevantly, we have started exports to Germany and Israel in November of 2022. Additionally, the amount of investments received has reached to $200,000. Enerjisa, Istanbul Municipality, Shiratek, and Elder are some of our partners. Our goal is perfectly working systems, uninterrupted, efficient, and sustainable production.